Good morning. Day 2 of Disney. Yesterday we added on, so that was day 1. We had an extra day. Today we're headed to Epcot. I have on my daughter's ears. It's like these headbands from Target. Oh man, Sunny. Sunny, honey. Sunny on your face. You keep disappearing. So we're on the Magic Express or Transport or whatever they call it. What are you excited for today? I don't remember the rides. I think Planet Earth. Oh, Turtle Talk with Crush and Planet Space, Mission Space, and Flight of Passage, I think. I'll have to double check those. Oh, there's George. George. There's Kaden. Kaden! Hi! Here's Anna. So, anyway, we are off to Epcot to, find out some more and eat some food. Sorry. Yeah. I want to find some breakfast and some coffee. Because we were up till 2:30. He was up till 2. He falls asleep super fast. But we were up late. It took us an hour and 20 minutes to get out of the park after the countdown and all that, and to get back to our room. It was insane. And then all 5 of us had to shower because germs. And and just to wind down, it was hard to like come down from being so excited all day. Ooh, look at the sunshine coming through on you. Yeah. It's fun. All right. Check you later. Say bye. Oh, look at your glasses. All right, bye. $20 sunglasses, by the way. Don't come in New Year's. It was the busiest day of the year. Fun to experience once. Bye. What? You don't have to. Oh, I like that. You can put it to the side too. Caden's face. Her shoes are funny.
Check it out. Totally gives me my green color, bro. Hey George, what do you like to eat, bro? Mac and cheese. Rock on, dude. Dude, George, does mac and cheese give you the bubbles? Yeah? Okay, dude. Well, between you and me, George, dude, if I ever eat some bad seagrass, I'll get a wicked case of bubbles.
He's got bubbles.
The awkwardness just keeps on coming. Dudes, I got one thing to say to all you human dudes. You so totally rock!
Oh, what's it called? Living off the land? Living off the land boat ride.
Watch out.
There's water. Water down. Hey guys. are flying past the people waiting in the fast pass lane for Soarin'. Best thing ever, fast passes, I'm telling you. Especially with this one. Who don't like to wait in lines for fast. Doesn't want to wait in lines even if it's the funnest thing in the world. Come on. No, I said you don't want to wait in line even if it's the funnest thing in the world. That's clear. It is clear. He doesn't like waiting. Put in Anna's bag, it's easier. China. You don't have your passport? Oh my gosh. I know. Maybe they can just write it on something. Oh, yeah. Okay, tips. Tip number 1, if your kid doesn't want to carry his bag, make sure he at least has his passport, his lanyard, and his wristband. Important things. Oh, baby. That cute little baby. These buildings are incredible. These buildings are unbelievable. Look at this. We're going to get some food in China. And we're going to Mission Space.
Can I go to Jupiter?
I don't know. We're going inside. So I don't know. We have a fast pass. I have no idea. Hey guys. I'm eating mini chocolate donuts before I get back to my room because with 3 kids, you might not get any if you walk in the room with mini chocolate donuts. So, and it's not like I need any snacks. So we got all kinds of snack credits. So, but just had to fix a couple things with our meal plan that happened yesterday when we got here because there were so many people here that a lot of the meal plans and stuff just weren't working. They're working now, they're fine. I'm just walking back. We took a break, kids went to the pool, and I'm heading back to our room. They left a security tag on Caden's sweatshirt, so I had to get that off. Took a little while, but heading back, and we'll probably go to Magic Kingdom later. Later, guys. I'll just make a copy, okay? I'll make a copy of it. Say bye.
That was awkward. What did he do? Give him awkward. High five.
Awkward high five. So we're gonna meet Pluto, Mickey, Chip, and Dale.
Dale and Chip.
Yeah, Dale and Chip.
George calls them Dale and Chip.
Chip and Dale. Anna, what do you
Did
call
we
them?
miss ordering something?
Chip and Dale.
No, she was asking if there were any allergies at the table. He's like, I need a pen.
Caden, you're gonna have to keep your feet.
Oh.
I saw your
Brother? Are they brothers? Cousins. Chip and Dale? Just friends? Oh. That's fine. Grab it. He's laughing. Oh, is he? Okay. We met Mickey and Chip and Dale.
There's my spoon.
Oh my god.
I have.
We can use a fork or something. Anyway, is it good? Excuse you.
Oh, I just lost the
What? That looks really good. Shortcake. So it was family style. We had green beans, beef, pork, mashed potatoes, mac and cheese. What else? Oh, and the table moves. Look. Not the table. The entire restaurant moves. And what else was on that family style tray?
beef, pork, stuffing,
Beef, pork, stuffing.
vegetables, green beans.
Oh, like some potatoes, sweet potato. It basically felt like the healthiest meal that we've had so far. And then this showed up. But the salad, we had salad and bread to start, and the salad, all the fixings from the salad came from the living off the land exhibit and greenhouses that they have here. And Caden is on a sugar high.
And there's a rooster in the
So
background.
they messed up our fast passes and things like that for tonight. We were supposed to get some extra ones. So we're just gonna like chill. We're gonna find some short lines maybe. Right, boys?
Let's go to Animal Kingdom. And just look for,
Animal
We'll check it out.
and look for short
We got
lines.
cookies too. We are getting ready to meet Vanellope von Schweetz. That costume's actually really cute. And Wreck-It Ralph. I'm gonna wreck it. So hey guys, it's 9 o'clock. So Epcot is actually closed, but because we're staying at a Disney resort, 9:14. But because that's fine. But because we're on a Disney resort, we get 2 extra hours. They're called magic hours, and we literally just walked right on to Mission Earth, which had a 200-minute wait before. So super cool.
But we literally just got here and we're allowed to go.
Oh, we're already on. Gotta go.